Hello friends, today we are going to see core cutting test. This is a non-destructive test in concrete. So our first part begins with the selection of a core. The location for core cutting is selected carefully to ensure representative concrete quality. Areas with visible cracks, honeycombing or reinforcement congestion are avoided unless investigation of distress zone is required. Our next step is fitting of core cutting machine. After selecting the appropriate location for core extraction, the core cutting machine is carefully positioned on the concrete surface. The surface is first cleaned to remove dust, loose particles and slurry, so the base of the machine sits firmly without slipping. The machine base plate is fixed securely using anchor bolts. Depending on the site condition, proper tightening of anchor bolts is ensured to avoid any movement of machine during drilling. Alignment of a machine is a critical step. The core drilling shaft is checked to ensure it's perfectly perpendicular to the concrete surface. Incorrect alignment can lead to inclined cores, uneven cutting, and unreliable test results. Before starting the drilling operation, the stability of the machine is rechecked. Any looseness, vibration, or tilt is corrected immediately. The fixing arrangement should be strong enough to resist drilling process and prevent sudden displacement. Correct fitting of the core cutting machine is essential for safe drilling, accurate core extraction, and obtain a sound and undamaged concrete core suitable for further laboratory testing. Key points to remember while doing fixing of a core cutting machine. Surface must be cleaned and level. Machine must be firmly anchored. Perpendicular alignment is crucial. Check stability before drilling. The base of the core cutting machine is placed against the concrete surface to ensure uniform load transfer during drilling. Anchor holes are drilled carefully and anchor bolts are tightened uniformly to avoid eccentric loading of the machine base. The fixing arrangement is checked to ensure the machine does not rotate or shift under drilling torque. Verticality of the drill shaft is verified using spirit levels. Any unevenness between the machine base and concrete surface is corrected using spirit level. Then we begin with the cutting using diamond blade. Core cutting is carried out using a diamond tip core barrel. Continuous water supply is maintained during drilling in order to cool the blade, reduce dust and avoid thermal micro cracking of concrete. Now we check all the fittings that are perfectly fitted or not. Now we connect the core cutting machine to the electric supply and now we power on the supply. The continuous water supply is required for this procedure, so we arrange water in a bucket. Now we have started the machine. Now you can see the machine is continuously moving down. With the help of level tube, we ensure that the water is supplied to the core. First, we fully immerse the tube in water in the bucket and then we connect it to a core cutting machine. Now we restart the core cutting machine. As we can see, the core cutting machine is moving down with a steady speed. Now this is the core we extracted after this procedure. Now we need to test this core in a laboratory. So we take it to the laboratory and start the compressive testing on it. The obtained result are noted in a book and then result is interpreted. Thank you friends for watching the video. I hope this video found you all useful. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.